In today's video, I'll show you how to get digital signatures using Dropbox Sign so you can sign and manage documents quickly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox Sign website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you don't already have an account, create one first and then sign in. Once you're logged in, upload the document that needs to be signed or select one from your existing files. This could be a contract, agreement, or any document requiring a signature. After opening the document, choose the option to sign or send for signature. This will open the editor where you can prepare the document for signing. Next, add the names and email addresses of the people who need to sign the document. Make sure the details are correct so the signing request reaches the right recipients. Then place the signature fields on the document. Assign each field to the correct signer and position them where signatures or dates are required. When everything is set, click Send. The signers will receive an email with a link to review and digitally sign the document. That's it. You've successfully requested and collected digital signatures using Dropbox Sign, making your document workflow faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your signing process.